Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here with StopStrugglingNow.com. Thank you for joining me. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And today, we're going to talk about your mindset. What are you thinking? What makes you succeed or actually stops you from succeeding? Well, look. I'm just going to talk about a few things today, but before I start and we get to the cue, what we're going to talk about is I have a link down below for DCU.org. It's a credit union. So it's a referral link for me. But the reason why I'm saying sign up for the credit union is because they're giving away 5.12% annually on your money. Up until 1 year, you need up until 1,000. So 5% a year on your money, put in $1,000, I don't see a problem. So you ask how you can make some compounded interest on your money. That's one way, but yeah, you got to save it. But so what? 5%, you can't get that anywhere. So today what I'm going to be talking about is something that's very simple. Everybody wants to be rich. Everybody wants to make a lot of money. It's a beautiful day out here in Cali. Check it out. Behind me, what do you see? Yeah, a nice little park back there, a green belt, mountains. Lovely, right? What aren't you noticing though? There's nobody there. Middle of the day, 75, 80 degrees out. There's not kids back there having fun. Guess they're in school. There's not people back there with their dogs and pets and working out, jogging, doing hiking, doing the walking trails. Why is that? Well, we're going to talk about this today. Now, please like, subscribe, click the bell. Now let's get to it. All right, first things first, about that DCU credit union. The reason why I'm saying sign up for it is because they have preferred rates sometimes. Credit unions have lower rates than banks do. So this is why I'm mentioning it, plus the fact that 5% annual interest that they're going to pay people up to $1,000 in their savings account comes in handy as well, because you can't get any savings like that unless you invest in something to make that type of interest. So what I'm going to talk about besides that is it's DCU.org. There is some sort of referral bonus money. I don't know what it really is. It's 10 or 20 bucks or something like that that you'll get, I'll get, just so I can have full disclosure. But what I'm going to be talking about today is, again, you know how I do everything in some of these videos where I'm showing background, neighborhood, things of that nature. It's around 11 a.m. in the day. All right? As you can see, there's hardly anybody home. You have to ask yourself, while you're striving to be the millionaire, while you're striving to make all this money, while you're wishing you had all this money, wishing you did this and that and the other. Look at this. These are the people wishing too. But notice, nobody's home to enjoy it. This is like my own free park. Every day. I walk out here, there's rarely a soul. Hours on end. I get to just play in my own little private playground. So, makes you wonder, all these people, can they all be retired? No, that's not how it works. They're working their ass off just like you. Yeah, they might make a little bit more money. But the fact of the matter is, sometimes keeping up with the Joneses costs you way more than money. No time, no relaxation, nothing. So this is why you see all the guys, give me 45 seconds. Give me 30 seconds to explain how you can make some money. And a lot of people jump, invest their hard-earned money, believing in all these hypes, how you make money fast, how you make money quick. And then you're wasting money after you try to do these quick money schemes. Sure, some of them work, some of them don't. But the question is, how do you spot the right one? Many of us has made investments into companies. In fact, that Z Black Card company, I made an investment in too. That doesn't mean it's going to be a winner, but yet I put my hard-earned money in it, and we're still waiting for trade lines to post, which is one of my key ingredients to try and help people out. The reason why we started this StopStrugglingNow.com. Help people. So not everything can be a winner. And just because you invest in something, sometimes you have to recognize that what you invested in may not end up working out. This is why, like I said before, millionaires have started and tried, on average, 17 businesses that have failed. But maybe the 18th wins, maybe the 20th, maybe the 25th. Who knows? But you can't give up. You got to keep trying. So that's why I'm out here today on this lovely green belt, all by myself. Nobody around. This is how it is every day. Like I said, my private playground. So the question is, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna keep doing? Just because you tried an opportunity and one failed, you tried 3 opportunities and they all 3 failed, does that mean you stop looking? Does that mean that you stop trusting? Does that mean that you're not gonna invest a little bit of money just so you can become financially independent from having to work 40 years, 40 hours a week to keep struggling? No. You make your own destiny in America. So you still have time. Even if you're 70 years old, you have time. Even if you're 80-year-old, you have time. Well, something came to my attention, oddly enough, yesterday, and I'll be sharing this in another video once I secure and make sure everything is actually somewhat decently, worth it. So the point I'm trying to make today is there's nothing wrong with trying to strive to become rich and famous. But be careful what you wish for, because you might not be home. You might have to start that business that keeps you up at night, that keeps you working 12 hours a day, just so you can survive, because you're going to try and keep up with the Joneses as you make more money. And the stop struggling way should be stop trying to stay up with the Joneses. Nothing wrong with stacking money, stacking silver, stacking gold, stocks and bonds. However your method, whatever you think in your methodology, it's all good. It's your way. There's no one way or right way that you're going to invest. Some say invest in real estate. Some say start your own business. It's up to you. Just go for it. Don't be shy. Don't let anybody tell you you can't. So that's the rant for the day. Get to it and keep your head up. Keep moving. And I'm out.